Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another episode of Industrial Training Podcast. Today we have with us Ishita Jain, who is currently pursuing her industrial training at Car Dekho, which is a platform for buying and selling used cars and also for researching the same. Welcome, Ishita.
Hi Harsh, thank you.
तो before we start, maybe आप एक just अपना short introduction दे सकती है for our audience.
Sure. Thank you for having me here, Harsh. Hi everyone, my name is Ishita Jain. I'm currently pursuing my industrial training from Card Dekho. I am currently in the Central Financial Planning and Analysis domain. Before that, I've completed my articleship from KPMG in statutory audit domain. And apart from my academic interests, I would say that I am also a content creator on LinkedIn with more than 11,000 people community. I'm also an international poet and a national debater with more than 7 books published internationally and nationally, and won several debates of extempore such as NIT, Doon School, Ambani School, etc. Both of my parents are also chartered accountants, and I am born and brought up from Jaipur. And yeah, excited for the podcast.
ठीक है परफेक्ट तो आर्टिकलशिप की हम पर पहले बात करते हैं सो आई वाज आल्सो लुकिंग आई थिंक यू हैव डन योर आर्टिकलशिप फ्रॉम केपीएमजी जयपुर इटसेल्फ तो
Yeah,
हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस देयर किन किन सेक्टर्स पे काम किया एंड व्हेन वाज इट दैट यू थॉट कि चलो ठीक है इट हैज बीन अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस सो फार लेट अस मे बी ट्राई टू चलो वो क्वेश्चनिंग में आगे करता हूँ आप एक बार अपने आर्टिकलशिप एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताओ कि हाउ वाज इट
sure. So, articleship experience, I would say, would like any other Big Four experience. That, of course, it was my dream to get into a Big Four, and I got several offers from KPMG, EY, PwC, went to last rounds of Deloitte as well. But the thing that I chose KPMG, forced me to choose KPMG, was that it was in my hometown. Although I was
ओके
registered in KPMG Gurgaon, however, it was easy for me to, go to KPMG Jaipur because it provides a lot of ease for me. Being in KPMG Jaipur was a slight bit different experience because we had a very less number of strength as compared to the other big four. So it gave you more exposure towards different assignments, I would say. I worked on various assignments, went on to a lot of outstation audits, and overall I was doing statutory audits, and I used to think कि ठीक है audit में continue करना है in future as well. But after spending a year, I would say I realized that first of all, the announcement that the attempts are going to be three from the year that I was supposed to give my exams. And the thing that I struggled so much to get my articleship in a big four, it took me 3 months to get offers. Like in one week, I got all three offers, but in 3 months, I got nothing. So that makes me realize when my other peers were going for industrial, it made me realize that how a little edge on your CV helps to get you placement, and how a little things accumulate to give you an edge over the others. Being in audit for 1 year made me realize that there is more that I believe to learn, and there is more that I am willing to contribute. So I decided to pursue industrial training, and preferably in a company which is not in a typical corporate setup, because I wanted to learn something from a haphazard point of view. I didn't want structured approach to something. I wanted to have my own inputs. I wanted trials and errors to be there. I wanted to build up on things, not just follow some ABC procedure that has been already in the system. So that I think I was at a point of time I was dead sure that I was not going to switch to industrial 2 years in the same company. I have to leave my hometown also, so that was also a tough decision to make. But yeah, all in all, I believe I applied to a lot of companies for industrial, for DLF, for Cardeco, even got shortlisted in DShaw. But at the end of the day, I think I chose a startup because I wanted things to be more, random to be learned, not in a structured hierarchical way.
ठीक है तो एक साल आपने ऑडिट में स्पेंड किया तो व्हेन वाज इट दैट यू थॉट कि चलो ठीक है, समझ में आ गया कि यू रियलाइज्ड कि आपको थोड़ा सा एक स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में काम करना है, बट जब आप ऑडिट कर रही थी, व्हेन वाज इट दैट यू थॉट कि ठीक है, मे बी आई हैव हैड काफी ऑडिट का, इट इज टाइम फॉर मी टू मूव ऑन और टू लुक फॉर समथिंग एल्स, ठीक है? और आपने इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग हंट अपने एक ईयर कंप्लीशन से कितने महीने पहले स्टार्ट कर दी थी?
So honestly, the first month I went to KPMG, it was the year-end closing. So it was all about 12 hours, 14 hours of work and everything. And I was getting used to it, of course. But as both of my parents are also chartered, so I knew that this is how articleship works. But going forward, I realized it after 6 months, after 7 months, that this is not the place I feel I belong in the long term, because I feel I it's not just about the work, it's about the culture that usually is there in Big Fours. Talking about a comparison that we have in industries, I feel Big Four is more about deadlines, pressures, and it's just not about deadlines and pressures. It's more about, talking about things I would say, in a such a way that it comes down to ki theek hai, this should also have been there, this should also have been there. But at the end of the day, improvement area बहुत कम रह जाता है. मतलब at the end
ठीक है,
आपको वही
फिर?
5 चीज करनी है, वही 4 वर्क पेपर बनाने हैं. एट द एंड ऑफ द वही 4 नंबर आपको मैच कराने हैं. आपसे हो रहे हैं, वेल एंड गुड. नहीं हो रहे हैं तो फिर देन देयर creeps in self doubt and everything. So I would say after 6-7 months I decided कि नहीं, I have to leave here, because a lot of self doubt and a lot of, I would say, that occurs to even everyone who goes for a Big Four articleship. A lot of self doubt and a lot of, I would say, something that maybe I am lacking, while a feeling came over. And after 7 months, so I was to complete my articleship in April, in March, I would say, in March and March ending. And I started, I made up my mind in January that no, I have to go for industrial. I have to look for something else. Otherwise, this will be the image of me of how CS work. I need
ठीक है,
to see what other industries has to offer. So I look for around January to April. Yeah, and I
ठीक है।
joined in April.
तो आपने बेसिकली स्टार्ट यूटिल ऑडिट डोमेन्स इन दैट इन योर होम टाउन, यू आप आई सेंट्रल फाइनेंस टीम ने कार देखो कि दैट्स इन गुड़गांव, ठीक है? सो हाउ हैज बीन दैट ट्रांजिशन कि आप एक बिग फोर, मतलब ऑफ कोर्स सेटअप्स डिफरेंट होते हैं एक किसी भी कंसल्टिंग फर्म के वर्सेस वर्सेस इंडस्ट्री में, राइट? तो हाउ हैज बीन दैट ट्रांजिशन फॉर यू? हाउ डज योर डे डे लुक लाइक? क्या काम करती हो, एक बार आपको बताओ।
Yeah. So first of all, it was a big transition to come to here, live alone, and everything. But however, I would say that this is something every CA student should experience, because it gives you time to think about yourself, time to work on yourself, and isolate yourself for a period of time that is actually very important in your career. Coming to Cardico has been a refreshing and an experience I just needed so badly, I would say. Coming here the first day, I remember matlab, my seniors, my teammates, and touchwood, it has been 4-5 months now. Everything has been very welcoming in terms of people, in terms of culture. It's not that we don't work here. My average typical day, I reach about 11 and I come about 8. That is
ओके,
my average day. Sometimes it's the start of the month. It can stretch up to 12. It can stretch up to 10, 12. It's not a big deal. But the amount of time I spend there, I actually like to spend time in my office. Even if I'm sitting at 12, I know that no one, even if I'm reviewing something to my manager, he's not going to be like, you don't know this, how could you do this? He would be coming to me and he would be like, oh wow, you did so much on your own. That's amazing. Let me tell you some review points so that you can improve the next time.
ठीक
So
है,
the approach shifts a lot. And in industry, people are more, want to learn, want to make you learn more, because I'm not switching teams. Unlike in Big Four, you switch teams in audit. But
ओके,
in industry, I have that fixed 5 people team. And if you go about right, and if you have a right set of people around you, of course things go a little off once in a while, but that is totally manageable, I would say. And I have been doing amazing, I would say. I have been learning so much, something that would build my technical skills, not just my Excel skills, I would say. So
Okay.
it has been a refreshing and a very welcoming experience.
ओके, तो अब जैसे हाउ वाज द हायरिंग प्रोसीजर, कि कोई पोर्टल पे वो आया था, वैकेंसी आई थी, कोई डायरेक्ट ईमेल था, या माइट अ फैमिली फ्रेंड, और वैसे किसने लिंक्डइन पे हेल्प करी थी, और कितने राउंड्स ऑफ इंटरव्यूज हुए थे और क्या क्या उसमें पूछा था, उसकी टाइमलाइन आप एक बार बताओगे प्लीज?
So, like, I'll tell you about both my I gave interviews for D-Show as well and Kardiko as well. So I'll give you both because there is a very contrasting story about both.
ऑलराइट.
So in D-Show, I would say what people tend to do कि we search on LinkedIn कि ठीक है this company, and then we try to comment कि ठीक है इस बंदे ने लिखा कि send me CV, तो हम उसको CV भेज रहे हैं. Now imagine उस post पे 600 comment होते हैं. And being in there, I receive at least 10 CV per day for industrial, जिसमें से दो मेरे दोस्तों के ही होते हैं. But it's not possible for me to refer each and everyone because यहाँ पे there is no portal to refer unlike in KPMG.
ओके.
So what we do is कि आप what I would suggest is that LinkedIn पे जाओ and LinkedIn jobs वाले option पे जाके you search. उधर ही जाके I search and not just search CA industrial trainee, search intern, search CA intern, search industrial trainee, different random keywords. That's how I found DShaw का vacancy. Applied to DShaw 2 months, nothing. One random fine day, my CV got shortlisted and they mailed me कि ऐसा ऐसा round है. And this is how things went on. So it was through LinkedIn jobs. So that LinkedIn jobs is the most reliable way, I would say. For Car Dekho, what we do is we actually post, our HR actually posts a Google form in which she mentions कि ये vacancy है, this is the eligibility criteria. However, I would say कि it completely depends on vacancy. It's not like Barclays कि आपका hiring cycle है in a year. It's more about कि हमारे में it's more about vacancy, people leaving, unka replacements if we need. So, for example, right now there were a lot of vacancies in 4-5 departments, and all got fulfilled due to the forms and everything. And more importantly, in my case, I had someone who was already there, referred my CV to the HR. Had I was thinking to go for an investor relations department earlier, but then I switched to financial planning. The HR recommended me कि नहीं आप financial planning में जाओ, so I went there. However, there were HR rounds, of course, one HR round. Then it went one round, not very technical, but it went one round with the director of investor relations. Then ये हुआ कि okay, investor relation में भी vacancy नहीं है, you go for financial planning. So financial planning में I had then one technical round with my assistant manager, and it was a complete technical round. And after that, there was supposed to be a round with my director as well, but my assistant manager assured last moment कि नहीं ठीक है, there is no need for another round. So it went on कि ठीक है, just with that round things went good.
आपने एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया की यहाँ पे बात करी कि यहाँ तो यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या होता है? इज इट दैट कि ओनली पीपल फ्रॉम बिग फोर, बिग सिक्स, और लेट्स से स्टैट्यूटरी और बैकग्राउंड आर प्रेफर्ड? व्हाट्स दैट?
See, honestly, to be real honest and real candid, I am the only one who's from a big four. So
ओके.
rest no one is. So that's I do not mean anything by that, but I just mean that people from mid-sized firms who think कि नहीं हो सकता industrial, या हमको
हम्म.
तो big four या big six, even not from big six, I would say, not even from companies like BDO, GT, no. So it's more about कि for me, I would honestly say कि I could have other options as well than Cardeko. But for me, I wanted to work in a startup in a more random manner in something, and I got the domain which was very nice, Central FPA team. इसके अलावा जो बाकी डोमेन्स हैं, आई वुड से कि वहां तो है ही सब मिड साइज या फिर गुड गुड फर्म्स, जो बिग सिक्स या बिग टेन में नहीं है, लेट्स से. So it's not, and they're doing amazing. They're doing an amazing job. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि आपको बिग सिक्स बिग फोर का एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया चाहिए. एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया अब ये हो गया है आई गेस कि थोड़ा प्रेफरेंस मिल जाता है टू पीपल who are doing 12 months of industrial rather than people who are doing 10 months 9 months. बिकॉज बचा ही 2 साल है अब, तो उसमें से अगर 12 मंथ्स कंप्लीटली था तो वो प्रेफरेंस थोड़ा मिल जाता है आपको. रेस्ट एलिजिबिलिटी में आई वुड से कि लोकेशनल कोई बैरियर नहीं है कि आप अगर
मतलब
फॉर
ऐसा कुछ
एग्जाम्पल.
मैंडेट नहीं है कि इवन इफ लेट्स से यू हैव कंप्लीटेड लाइक 14 15 months of articleship you will have to serve mandately for 12 months, which is the case for a lot of companies. That is not with car देखो.
No, that no, that's not the case. For example, if I have 24 months of my training and I've completed 11 months of my articleship and it provides me baki rest for industrial, they don't say कि आप 12 months करो. They just say आपका remaining period है उतना करो. बट अगर आपका
ठीक
12
है.
months होता है तो इन जनरल साइकोलॉजिकल एडवांटेज आपको मिलता है ओवर अदर्स कि भाई ये बंदा 12 महीने सर्व कर सकता है, उसकी 12 महीने की बच्ची है और इस बंदे की 11 बच्ची 10 बच्ची है 9 बच्ची है, तो आप इसको रख लो. वो थोड़ा प्रेफरेबल होता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि दे डू समथिंग कि आपको 12 महीने करना है, हम लीव्स नहीं देंगे, आपको रिलीज नहीं करेंगे. दैट्स नॉट द केस. दे वेरी कोऑपरेटिव रिगार्डिंग दैट.
भैया आप एक चलो थोड़े शॉर्ट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं. पहला जो ये सेटअप है, इज इट हाइब्रिड या पूरा वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस रहता है?
It's work from office, completely work from office. You can take work from home in case of any emergency, I would say, but it's completely work from office. Especially, it is for all the teams, I would say. But मेरी team में तो ज़्यादा important हो जाता है because we need to connect with different stakeholders and everything. So it becomes easier when you work from office.
और ये मंडे टू फ्राइडे है?
Yeah, Monday to Friday.
ओके. आपने एक और चीज मेंशन करी दैट और यूजुअल वर्क टाइमिंग्स आर फ्रॉम 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. sometimes switching till 12 a.m. But have there been times when you have worked on the weekends या फिर weekends relatively chill रहते हैं as compared to other?
There was, I would say, only one weekend that I have worked and till in 4 months, and that was just because it was coming in the first 5 days of the month. And first 5 days weekend ho ya na ho, they don't tell me work on weekends. First 5 days is super hectic for me, not for all the teams.
For
And
closing
then I
purposes.
for closing purposes, and also for me, I'm not involved in closing purposes. I'm actually involved in making of other reports and analysis. And for if when I say I leave at 8, that's the maximum I'm telling. People are there जो 11 बजे आके 6 बजे जा रहे हैं and no one tells anything. You work for normal hours, it's not a problem. And when I say 11 to 6, I'm not saying कि 11 to 6 you're just working. It includes all your coffee breaks and includes all your lunch breaks and everything. So
Right,
when I
right.
say that I work from 11 to 6, people are there. They usually work from 11 to 6, 11 to 7. बहुत कम होते हैं जो 11 to 8 रुकते हैं. मैं भी रोज नहीं रुकती आई वुड से, बट आई एम गिविंग यू जस्ट एन एवरेज कि if I leave at 9 someday, I leave at 7 someday, so it's somewhere around 7:38.
Perfect. Now, सबसे main question, what is the stipend that Karthik offers for industrial training?
The stipend that it offers is 25,000 for all the domains.
फॉर ऑल द डोमेन्स. परफेक्ट. शायद से मैंने यहाँ पे आईटी वगैरह की बात कर ली, बट शायद से मैंने उस चीज पे एम्फोसाइज नहीं किया. आप एग्जैक्टली exactly काम कर क्या करती है डिपार्टमेंट में, कि अगर आपको समझाना हो कि व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट यू आर डूइंग, अ शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन मे बी अबाउट दैट एज वेल.
See, I would say, first of all, I'll let you know the different departments that are there. ठीक है?
परफेक्ट, परफेक्ट, श्योर.
So there is this FPA team. Then there is this investor relation team, direct taxation with both direct and indirect domains, business finance team, controllership, compliance. These are the basic teams. I might be missing on some, but these are some basic things. इसमें now, if I am in the central FPA team, what we do is basically we are actually doing something to streamline the reports and processes. Now that we are heading towards IPO, we want a lot of reports to be handy with us.
ठीक
uh,
है.
I'm doing a lot of analysis. For example, if you talk about specific work, we are also working on cash flow analysis, reporting of numbers, budgeting, plan, cost analysis, MIS related stuff. I'm not completely involved in MIS, just a little here and there as of now, because the ad hoc task has been a lot to take in. So things actually revolve around the reports that are actually required by the SLPs, that is the senior leadership people. So we actually work on the reports and analysis to present the situation of all our items, all our finances in a concise way each month, so that they have a clarity and a hold on things that are actually going on. What happens is कि चीजें streamline करना and automate करना is very important in today's
Mhm.
time, because हम इतना time manually spend नहीं कर सकते with the coming requirements. So
Agreed.
what we are trying to is take on new ad hoc tasks and trying to streamline that every day, connecting with different stakeholders, so that as much as it can, things could be streamlined, cost analysis could be quick, so that last month आपका खत्म हो and in the first 5 days you know what's the position of your last month. So we don't have to wait for the 15-20 days next month कि आपको 20 दिन बाद पता चल रहा है कि last month का for example कैश पोजीशन क्या था, whatever it was.
परफेक्ट। ठीक है, तो अगर हमें एक एक दो लाइंस में समराइज करना हो तो कार देखो प्राइमरीली गुड़गांव के अंदर है या और लोकेशंस सिर्फ
It
गुड़गांव
is
में?
in Jaipur as well, but it takes industrial trainees only in Gurgaon.
ठीक है, इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग कार देखो में गुड़गांव में अवेलेबल है। स्टाइपेंड इज 25,000। मल्टीपल डिपार्टमेंट्स है, लीगल, कंप्लायंस, टैक्सेशन, इन्वेस्टर रिलेशंस, FP&A एक्सेट्रा। यूजुअल वर्क आवर्स वीकेंड शुड बी रिलेटिवली फ्री। वर्क आवर्स
Hmm.
यूजुअल जो किसी इंडस्ट्री में रहते हैं विच कैन स्ट्रेस, अगर चीजें नीडेड होती हैं। बाकी एक चीज के लिए आई कैन ऑल्सो वॉच दैट यस, comparatively you are going to find much more nicer people as compared to a CA firm, not specifically a Big Four, I would say.
Yeah.
Perfect. Anything else that you would want to share with our audience?
I would just say कि whether it's your articleship, whether it's your industrial training, maybe you get a reward, maybe you do not. What matters at the end of the day is you start working on yourself, start building yourself, do different courses, develop your skills. And I do not mean कि आप Excel course कर रहे हो या Tally का course कर रहे हो. What I actually mean is कि build on some actually good skills. Um, I chose public speaking and content creation. You can choose anything that, stands you apart. Because see, I'll just sum up in a line that when you do your industrial or your articleship, सब बोलते हैं आप पढ़ाई पे फोकस करो and just leave all your hobbies, leave all your interests. But when you actually sit for your interviews, after being a CA, everyone else is a CA. And then your extracurriculars and your, different hobbies such as आपने ये पढ़ा है, ये सर्टिफिकेशन किया है, ये किया है, apparently that starts to matter, जिस पे हमने कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दिया होता है. So keep building on yourself, maybe academically, maybe professionally, maybe personally, but don't stop. Keep an hour of the day every day to learn something new, and that is not related to maybe CA, maybe not related to your academics, maybe not FR, maybe not AFM. Half hour, 30 minutes, anything on public speaking, interview speaking, resume building. Just scroll through LinkedIn, it will give you a lot of ideas. So just keep building on yourself, try new things, try writing, try speaking, try connecting to different people. Just to add here, being in Gardeco has given me an edge of clarity and vision of my future as well, because here we also have different departments, and I have been fortunate enough to connect with interns that were there from FMS Delhi, from top IIM grads, and got my CV directly reviewed from them. So it was such a good experience when I connect with them, because their vision clarity was next level. So connect with such people, talk to such people. It would give you ideas about what you need to do in future and what is the demand of the current times.
आपने यहाँ पे दो चीजों के बारे में बात करी। दैट इज ए पब्लिक पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, सेकंड इज कंटेंट क्रिएशन। तो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में जैसे आपने बात करी दैट यू हैव बीन एक्टिव पार्ट ऑफ डिबेट्स, एक्सटेम्पोर्स, एक्सटेम्परीज से, या और भी काफी ज्यादा चीजें हैं। तो एट दिस पॉइंट व्हाट आर यू डूइंग कि पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में, कि या थोड़ा सा भी ब्रेक हॉल्ट पे है वो?
Honestly, it was on hold when I was doing my articleship, which was also one of the reason I decided to shift from my articleship, because somewhere or the other, my I love public speaking and I love writing. And when I stopped doing that for 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 1 year, I stopped having happiness from the things that I was doing. And it's something that I relate to my passionate side. So when I joined Card Dekho, it's not possible for a CA student कि आप रोज debates जा रहे हो या रोज आप ये कर रहे हो.
Right.
So I found the most simplest way. I first started with YouTube कि I'll not be camera conscious anymore. YouTube was not, I would say, ki it's very hectic. I need to edit trends, songs, Instagram, same thing. So I decided to build on LinkedIn. For public speaking, as of now, I am trying. We have in Kartiko, we have regular training sessions. I try to article training session in which we take, about the class about key in this, in this. I try to participate in that so that wo keep on building rahe. Secondly, I take webinars and sessions about your public speaking, about resume building, about personality development with people of around 100, 150 of strength. So it keeps me active. I take I would say 1 or 2 sessions a month when it is required and during the result time. After that, limits to 1 session for 2 months. So I think that mix up from my public speaking. For my writing part, I would say I'm participating in ISI newsletters. My poetry side has been halt from a lot of time, but I'm trying to write for newsletters. I'm trying to make a lot of documents in my office that are more towards compiling the data, not just the financial data, but the actual qualitative data, presenting in front of people so that my writing skills are honed, kept honed. But it's very important to keep brushing them because at one point when I was in class 12, I used to handle debates like this ki array extempore ho jayega. But now I need time. I need to take out words. I need to explicitly focus on my vocab. It takes efforts now. So building on that, continuing that.
Perfect, perfect. Again, thank you so much, Rishta, for coming here. So I think ना भी हमको as such a इस कार्डिक इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग में शेयर करना था. We have done that. And from the community side, I would like to thank you. Thank you for your time and specifically thank you for coming here on such short notice. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for you
Perfect,
having me on this
perfect.
podcast. It was a great experience.